Good morning, everybody. So, got a Ford F-250 truck here, and I have automatic running boards. Well, this morning, I opened my door as I usually do, and the running board deploys. So, these are AMP automatic running boards for your truck, and when you close the door, they retract. Give you a nice clean look without the running board. Well, case being this morning is, I came out, I opened the door, the truck step came down, and then the passenger side of the truck, the step wouldn't deploy. Then when I closed my door, the step wouldn't retract. It was stuck permanently down. So I found out what causes this issue is in the battery, and I'm going to show you real quick. Let's open the hood and get this bear open for us. Stand by a minute. All right. So we just popped the hood on this beastie boy, and over here where your battery is, on the positive side, there's a little plastic cap here, and all I needed to do to fix this issue, here's another look at what it looks like. All I had to do was pop the cover off, and you see there's a 30 amp fuse in there. All I had to do was pull that fuse out, put it back in, and close the cap, and problem was solved. I don't know what the issue is, but anytime you disconnect the battery or put the new battery in, once the battery's hooked up, you're gonna have to pull that fuse and re-stick it, replace the fuse. Of course, if it's blown, you'll have to put a new fuse in. But the fuse was not blown in my case. I just pulled it out and simply reinstalled it. Now, as you can see, passenger side of the vehicle, step deploys. Close the door, and it retracts as advertised. So that's your quick fix today. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this useful. My truck's a Ford F-250 Super Duty 2015, but this will probably fix issues on any other truck that has these AMP steps. So thanks for watching today. It's getting to be a gloomy day out here in Florida, and trying to rock the retired life. And as you can see, it's a kind of a dull, dingy day today. But we got some other repairs to get to today. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. And I hope this helps you if you have trouble with your steps on your truck. And as soon as I close these doors, issue solved. So that's how you do it. Hey, if you find this useful, please hit the like and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. God bless you and have a great day.